Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we will learn a very new and unique function, which is the search bar, or how we can create a search bar function. In the previous examples we have used multiple different find or search functions, like we have used simply control and F function of the find, and in the previously we have also used the multiple options, which includes the filter functions, like we simply select and use here the filter option to find the data. And then we have also used another function, which is the filter formula, that we have already used in our previous examples. But now today we will use a very simple and a unique function, which is the search function. And by using the search function we will create a search bar. In the search bar we simply need to insert the text or the letters data, and we will get automatically the related data in the below. So how we can create a simple search bar function, and what options or what challenges we will face to creating this type of search bar. So we will start here. First, you can see here we have the data, so we simply need to use this data to use a filter function or filter formula. So first we need to select the data, and then we need to create a copy of this data. Then on the basis of this data we will use a search bar function. So first I write here the search. Now here what we need to do, we need to simply give here the search bar. But how we can create? First we need to go here in the insert tab, and in the insert tab we create a shape, and I'll select this shape and we make a search bar. Then we need to change the color, so I just fill it with no color. We have completed the this function. You can make it bold as well, and center alignment you can make it more better and presentable. Then next what we need to do, we simply need to go here in the developer tab. So first challenge we will face is this: in some Excel's developer function is not visible. So how we can make or how we can active this tab? So if the developer tab is not showing on your menu tab, so how you can get? You simply right click here and you will see here the customize the ribbon. In the customize ribbon, what you need to do, you need to tick here the developer. If you tick and OK, so a developer function will be visible to you. This is the first challenge the person faces. Then what we need to do, we need to go here in the insert tab, and in the insert tab we need to use this text box. If I click on it and if I click here, so you can see it gives us error. Now if I use any other function in the above, so it allows me. But if I use the bottom functions, ActiveX, control buttons, or any option, so it gives me error. So this is the second challenge which may some users face. So how we can correct it? So simply we need to go here in the file. In the file you will see multiple options. So we go here in the account, or you can see go here in the more. In the more you will see the options. In the options we need to go here in the trust center. Here you can see the trust center. Select the trust center settings. In the settings you will see the ActiveX settings. Make it enable, press OK, and then again OK. So this is how we have completed. Now we test our second challenge. We simply go here in the developer tab, insert here, and in the insert we need to select this text box. Now if I select here, so you can see here it allows me to select this function. Then what we need to do, we need to simply go here in the properties, and in the properties we need to link this cell. So I simply select, and then you can link to any cell. So I just link here J and J2. So I just write here manually J and 2. So I have linked this cell to J2 reference. Then simply close here. So we have completed this function as well. Now what we need to do, we simply go here, and here you see design mode, we simply untick here. So we have unticked this design mode. Now what you need to do here, we simply need to use here formula. What formula we need to use here, we need to use simple function or simple formula like equals to filter. So we need to follow these steps carefully. So I just use here these steps very slowly. First we use here filter. This is our first formula. Then in the first formula we need to select the array. So how we can select the array, we simply select the whole data. So we have completed our first function, then comma. Next what we need to do, we need to use the second function or second formula is number, bracket open. In the is number, what we need to do, we need to use formula search, bracket open. Now what we have linked here, we have linked here J2. So I just write here J2. So you can see here we have linked this cell, comma. Then it says the within text, so we select this data. Now what you need to do, you simply need to close the bracket, and but before closing, if we did not find any data, so what you can do, you simply get none and then close the bracket. So we have completed this whole function. Now what you need to do here, you can simply type the data. Like if I want the apple, so I just write here A will be apple. So you can see here I got the data. Now if I want the orange or table, if I write here table, so you can see here it gives me none. Now if I want orange, so you can see here it gives me orange. Now if I use the cabbage, so it gives me the cabbage as well. This is how we can create a search option by using these simple Excel formulas and simple Excel tool. This is very simple trick that we have used, and if you face any issue while creating such type of search bar, please write in our comment section. We will surely get back to you.